Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of my Consumer AI series. Today is a very special episode because I'll be talking about Manus AI, the latest general AI agent that has taken the entire Twitter timeline by a storm. So it's deeply mind-blowing and it's really the deep research moment that we've all been waiting for, and it's right in front of our eyes. So let's dive into it. So before we continue, I would like to also raffle out 3 beta access codes. So the platform is currently in beta access and the team has kindly given me 3 invite codes to raffle out. So please like this video and you'll stand a chance to be eligible for the raffling process. So the very first example that I'll show you is actually a health-related use case. I wanted Manus AI to help me research 2 fitness rings that are available. So one of it is Ultra Human and one of it is Aura Ring 4. And I just asked a very simple prompt. So it's, can you help me do a research on Ultra Human Ring versus the Aura Ring 4? And it essentially gave me a 9-page report in 5 minutes, breaking down, 2 of these leading rings in the market. What are the key differentiators? So it broke it down by pricing models, battery life, tracking women's health, weight, and the app example. And also, it broke down very clearly what is the pricing model, whether there's a subscription. It browses the entire web. So you can see here, initially what it's done is that it broke down the research structure. So you basically created a research directory and then defined the key comparison components. It created a file structure for me. And then it started off with researching the Ultra Human Ring. So essentially breaking it down by the basic product information, hardware specifications, features, capabilities, app functionality, pricing models. And then it went on to research the Aura Ring model. So the exact same breakdown before it did a comparison. And then you can see it's done a comparison based on the design, hardware specifications, battery life, app functionalities, etc. And then it also did a very deep research on all the user reviews and experiences. So you can see these are exactly, real reviews that people have posted, and it essentially browses all of that. And then the final part is the finalization of all the things that it's researched, and then it's basically done a comparison between the 2 rings. So when you look at the final output, it's an 8-page report, extremely cool. This is done in 10 minutes. And then you can see this is the pricing and subscription model, design and hardware, sensors and technology, battery charging, tracking capabilities, app software. Then here are the user experience. And then you can see conclusion. Both the rings are excellent smart rings that provide valuable health insights. And then the choice basically comes down to 2 priorities. So whether you want a one-time purchase, which is what the Ultra Human provides, or the other Aura Ring, which has a subscription model but has more tracking functionalities. This is extremely cool. It's done within 10 minutes. This would have taken a normal person much longer. So this is the very first example that I looked at. So the next example I'll be showing is a dashboard that was created by Manus AI. So this is an interactive dashboard, a very comprehensive analysis of Tesla's financial performance, market position, and investment outlook. So you can see here, this is a dashboard that it's created, very thorough for what it is. And actually, if you have, any investment opportunities that you want to look at, any tokens, you can feed the information to Manus, and then Manus can create a very interactive dashboard for you to track. So this could be things like tracking financial performance over time, based on their revenue and net income, or doing a very full DCF valuation scenarios versus current price. You can also look at the market positioning compared to, the other assets that you're comparing it to. And then you can also do a price target and scenarios, and then investment conclusion. So this is actually very intuitive for, investment analysts, because this actually took, I think, about 30 minutes to whip up. So from the initial analysis to actually creating this front-end analysis dashboard, this took 20 minutes, which is extremely, extremely crazy. So after testing Manus's beta for the last couple of days, I can safely say that it's definitely at the level of a junior researcher, because when you look at the task that you're given it, it's actually doing it very well. So it really depends on what memory and what information you feed to the AI. And And just like any other AI, right, it's all based on the information you feed it. But I think generally at its baseline, it actually does a lot of the heavy lifting for you when it comes to initial research. And you can also use it to, build websites or build comparative reports, very thorough analysis reports as well. So when it comes to, breaking it down by the outline of the research and actually conducting it and, presenting the final data, I would say it's a very structured process, and Manus is able to achieve that. So I've been, testing it out over the weekend, and I would say hugely impressed. Looking forward to seeing what the team builds next for the platform.